Reporting the result of mixed method evaluations. The final task of the evaluator is required to perform is to summarize what the team has done, what has been learned, and how others might benefit from this project's experience. If you are reporting mixed method research, you have to show how mixed the research during various phases of the research, such as design, data collection, and reporting of the results are. In addition to the contracting agencies, most evaluations have other audiences as well, such as previously identified stakeholders, other policymakers, and researchers. For these audience, whose interest may be limited to a few of the topics covered in briefings, conference presentation, or workshops, may be more appropriate. Oral briefings allow the sharing of key findings and recommendations with those decision makers who lack the time to carefully review a voluminous report. In addition, conference presentation and workshop can be used to focus on special themes or to tailor messages to the interests and background of a specific audience. In preparing the final report and the other products that communicate the results of the evaluation, the evaluator must consider how should the communication be best tailored to meet the needs and interests of a given audience. How should the comprehensive final report be organized? How should the findings based on qualitative and quantitative methods may be integrated? And does the report distinguish between conclusion based on robust data and those that are more speculative? Where findings are reported, especially those likely to be considered sensitive, have appropriate steps taken or make sure the promise of the confidentiality are met.